What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you the Voyager bag setup I got going on here. This is the bag I got from Harbor Freight for 12 bucks, something like that. I keep it upstairs. This is not like my main tool bag for the house, but two-story house. All my tools are usually in the garage or in the shop. This stays on the first floor so I can, take care of business on the smaller stuff. But starting off here, this is a little core built from Ross's socket set, and it's actually really nice. It's pretty extensive set. You got a wobble, some extensions, a handle. The ratchet's not too bad. You got all sorts of different sizes. These are even star bits, like inverted. And then you have all the bits up here. I think I got this for 20 bucks and a few little Allen keys that I've never used. And I did steal some of the sockets. They're 6 points. But honestly, it's a little 1/4 inch ratchet, but it's not bad at all. Gets those furniture putting together, that type of stuff done. I'll go into the drills here. I just put these in there, the Hyper Toughs. I'm going to do a review on them. Brushless little 12 volters. I had this Blue Ridge up there, and this thing's not bad for just doing little stuff around the house, but the Hyper Tough's a little better. And this bit kit that I got for Blue Ridge or whatever, not good. I've literally broken all those bits in the back there. So there are better out there. So you got, this is Velcro over here, and I put my little precision screwdrivers. These are Steelman. They've come in handy. They got the twist tops, nice long shaft, hard. But you got a few different flavors. I think there's 5 of them there. And then we got just a come-along self-lock 25-foot tape measure. Picked this up not too long ago. It's got the cheater marks, nice high vis. I threw the Black & Decker bit set in there, so get some drill bits, and then all the other bits. I threw that Tote flashlight in there. It's just a nice on-off LED flashlight. I will say I've been using this sucker quite a bit around the house to do stuff, and I like it. I'm a little hooked on the Hodo. This is an inexpensive stud finder, but I find that these are the ones that work best. I've gotten the fancy ones, but these work great. You just have to be slow, steady. The magnetic ones are pretty good also. Inexpensive pair of Stanley Allen wrenches here. This set's held up nice. It does not have the ball ends, but for, a second level. And then I got 2 teensy-weensy screwdrivers. And then because the bag's small, I threw the Pittsburgh hammer in there. I'd like to have a full size, but that'll do the job. And then I have this old Stanley, crow's foot, and it's just a nice old pry bar. It's nice to keep in there. This is like basically a nice simple starter set. These are core built screwdrivers. This was like $4 for all these. They have the plus and Phillips head and the minus signs, which is flat head. This one wore off because I beat it. Got the crescent. It's just a 6-in-1. It's actually, I like this. but it's a little chunky. I mean, the handle definitely is disproportionate to the business end there. So I don't know what they're thinking on that one. They kind of missed. So we'll go around here. For a level, I just have a cheap Johnson plastic, $3-4 level from Lowe's. For the knife, got a Stanley here. Again, it's a cheapo, but it's got the blade storage, and I like my solid body knives. Cheap pipe wrench, heavy duty there, cast iron, Chinese made. I do have this pair of Crescents. These have held up well. I bought these to test years ago. That little like nut design in the middle worked out well. They're RT 410s. I do like channel lock. I've owned it, but honestly, the quality I feel personally has gone downhill a little bit. Still American made, still great compared to this. But honestly, they're not that far off. But the Crescent stuff isn't cheap either. But I did pick these up, and these are nice. K9 Jaws. I picked these up at Ross's for $9, and it's got the grip zone in the middle. This is the Crescent stuff I really do like. And then I got some older school. These are just Sears brand, made in Japan. Right there on the back, Japan, and this one says Japan too. This was a set. When my uncle passed away, I grabbed these. They're nice to use, they're passing on a tradition, even though he wasn't handy at all. I also have a Lennox Gold knife, flip blade. And then we have the Ideal, which are like Klein. Electrician screwdrivers. These have been great, holding up good. I have a little pair of Matco tools right there, USA made. Diagonal cutters, dikes. Some Stanley needle nose. These have held up well, They get the surface rust, nothing bad about it. And then on top of that, I got the Lennox Gold blades. I like that stuff. Lennox is good. Then over here, simple pair of Klein wire strippers, small in size. And then this is a Craftsman Evolve pair of linesmen. They're not big, they're not short, they're not like a full-size lineman, but they have a great handle on them, and you can put some force. And then last but not least, we have this is just from Walmart. I think it's All Sun. Yeah, All Sun. Might be branded Hyper Tough, but they work really well actually. This has a GFCI tester, and I think this is $5 or $6, and this is about 10. And they work very well, especially for around the house. So nice options. That's what's in the bag. Nice, easy little review. I like the bag. It's sturdy. It holds all this stuff just fine. No issues with it. And it fits in the spot that I need it to fit upstairs in a closet. So that's good stuff. And yeah, can't ask for much more for $12. If you want to go this route for your first time home kit, this has all the stuff that you need, minus the golden wrench, ratchet wrench, whatever. They should make a wrench. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining me. I'll like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.